sometimes you get stuck in the woods. You know what you can do about that? Scrambling. Hey everyone, today I will be doing a new series called Scrambling. This is Scrambling 101 Part 1. You're wondering where the basket is. Well, it's about maybe 100, 200 feet that way, and it's all behind these trees, and I put myself in a situation. But there's a solution to that. So I'll be going over scrambling, different shots, what you can do from here. As you can see, there's not really a whole lot to do. Yeah, let's get into it. But this is the disc I chosen. Zero soft pier, classic soft judge, a lucid criminal, a lucid vandal, and a prime truth. First up, when you're at your fly, you have 30 seconds to decide, so you have plenty of time, usually. This gap is the most promising gap I have. Saying that this gap is promising, but it's more promising than something like throwing it this way. You have to like stretch it out, or just, yeah, you know the drill is. So this is the only gap I really have to throw, and I'm more than likely going to throw a tomahawk and let it slide up to the basket. I'm not exactly going to try to park it, but give myself a putt for birdie. First disc I'm going to throw is the Vandal. This may not be the right disc, but since we're practicing, we're going to go over what each disc does. So I'm going to throw a tomahawk with this much angle. So it's going to be more understable, so it's going to want to go left more. And I'm going to try to go through this gap, let it fan out, slide to the basket. This is more stable than the Vandal, so I'll probably have to give it more of a flatter, more upside down. Over these next three discs and see what I can do with these. That's way. The last clip, I just threw that way shorter, so it's probably more likely for me. I'll go for like a fairway driver, but we're gonna see what we can do with these putters. We're here on the last hole, hole 18, and I'm gonna give y'all a couple more examples on the Tomahawk, and let's get into it. That is Scrambling 101, basics of the Tomahawk. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully this helped. If you want to contact me, you can comment down below, or you can message me personally on Facebook. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below. There's about 90% of my viewers are not subscribed, so make sure you click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to get notified for all my videos. Thank y'all so much for watching. Shout out to Zach Melton. I found this disc over here, has his name on it. See y'all.